Amazing, right? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create this incredible style morphing videos with a new AI online tool called LensGo. Join me in this simple guide where I will show you exactly how it was done, and also we will have a look into other amazing effects that you will be able to use on your creations. Sign up by entering your email, or even better by linking a pre-existing Google account. Once inside, you will be able to peek into the feature works of other LensGo users and try the different features depicted in the AI tool section, like creating images and videos from text, videos for images, training your models for consistent creations, and also the restyling of your own photos. That's even a new amazing feature for transferring the styles from one given style into an uploaded video of your own. So let's begin by clicking on Video Style Transfer, then drag and drop a file or click on Upload Video to upload it from your computer. For this example, we are going to use one that I've downloaded from Pixabay. While it uploads, let's select the style model we are going to use and put some basic prompts like woman dancing, and leave the rest of the options as they are. When the upload is ready, hit generate video. After a few minutes, you will be able to download it into your computer by clicking on the download button. At this point, we can just rinse and repeat with the remaining styles. For editing, we are going to be using Capcut. Let's start by importing all the generated clips and moving them into our timeline. As the videos created with LensGo have a length of 5 seconds, I've created 2 sets of images from the original clip, each of them restyling 2 correlated blocks of 5 seconds. Let's put the first block with the clips on top of each other, and the second block will be the same but move 5 seconds to the right. Now we will move the timeline bar to the left 1 minute and cut out the left part of each of the clips until we have a nice staircase looking timeline. Finally, let's export the result into a new clip. We are going to import this new clip into a new project and duplicate the clip into a second line. Then, move the second clip, making it correlative with the first one. For the rewind effect, we are going to reverse the second clip, and to make it all of it dynamic, we are going to play a bit with the speed of both clips, finishing up by exporting everything into the final clip. LensGo is an AI-powered platform designed for creating images and videos with a focus on ease of use and high-quality output. On the current version of August 2024, for each new account you will receive 100 tokens for testing the different tools, and these tokens are replenished every day to 50 if exhausted. I've provided a step-by-step guide for style transfer, but let's have a look at the text-to-image tool too. Let's create some images with the vintage comic cartoon model. We can experiment with the following, for example. A girl with blue eyes and red hair wearing a black top is staring back at the camera. Now let's modify the prompt by adding the text with a window behind her and a sci-fi CD in the background. And now let's add a real image as a reference for the model and change the kind of clothing and background. This will deliver a totally different output with the vibe of the imported image. But what do you think about this tool? If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. But you can help me even more by directly sharing this content with someone you might think be interested in it. I'm Colin, this has been the IT Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.